So we're gonna make parking today. It's gonna stand on 4 supports. It will have supports, and here we are gonna make a slope for cars to go up and down the parking, and a part of our slope will have a tunnel. This will be the way down, and here will be the way up. And here they will have parking places. Let's put letter P right here. Is a sign for parking. That's how it's gonna look like. Our first step will be to stick on supports for our parking. We need 4 of these paper tubes. And we're gonna glue them along the corners of our box. But before we do that, we have a small job for you. I want you to take this marker and draw circles around our tubes so that I would know where to put glue. Well done. Now we need to take a glue and spread it along these circles we've drawn. Now let's wait a couple of minutes for glue to dry a little bit. Okay, now let's attach these tubes to our box in the places where we have glue. And now we need to wait for our glue to dry out. Okay, so we are gonna wait. Let's put something heavy on top of it. It will press our box to supports, and meanwhile we are gonna make a slope. Our slope will be this wide, look like this. We're gonna cut off all unnecessary sides from our box, and then we're gonna glue it like this. We are gonna use this part, and this we're gonna leave aside.
We need to cut along this line.
We will leave it like this. This will be 2 rows, one for way up, one for way down. Now take your scissors and cut off here. Can you do it? You're doing great! Well done! And these parts we are gonna use to stick it to our parking. Look, it's gonna be like this. Look here, we are gonna glue these things and we will have our slope. Okay, now let's draw along the lines, also to know where to put glue. See, now here on places where I put crosses, we need to put some glue. Here's our glue. Okay, can you help me? We need to pour some glue on every place where we have crosses. like this. Look, these parts are very glossy. Try, touch it with your finger. Such glossy parts stick on not very good, so we need to scratch it.
Why do we scratch it?
Because scratched parts will stick better. So let's attach it? Yeah? Okay. Can you do it? You know where to attach it to, right?
Yes, to the glue.
1, 2. Okay. Now we need to press this all with something heavy, for example our speaker. But in order to protect our speakers from glue, we're gonna put this thing here. And we're gonna put speaker on top of it. And now we need some more paper tubes to make a tunnel. Look over here. We are gonna glue it here like this, and we are gonna have a tunnel. An open side of the road will be for cars to go up, and tunnel will be for cars to go down. Okay. I suggest to connect them with adhesive tape. I need you to hold the things together like this, with your hands, just like this. Now cut here. Well done. Now we have two connected. Now we need to connect one more. Hold it with your hands. Well done. So now we're finished with adhesive tape. Now we need to take this tunnel, and what should we do?
We need to stick it.
Yes, we need to stick it. Let's take our glue and put it here along the side. Will you help me? Now it's time to do what?
To glue.
We need to connect our glue with the cardboard. If I put it like this, will it stick?
Nope.
Why?
Because the glue is on top.
And like this?
Also nope.
And if I turn it like this?
Yeah, it will.
Now we're gonna do...
Look here.
What?
It comes off.
We need to think something of how to fix it. Okay, so we've connected here. Now we return it back to our parking. As I told you, glue dries out not instantly. We need to wait to give it a time to dry.
I'm gonna check.
And meanwhile we are gonna leave it to dry. Come here, we are gonna draw some arrows. The cars is gonna go up like this. Look. Here is gonna be the first parking place. Let's draw it round the car.